So, I'm not a car guy, but I do like when my car is clean. I mean, who doesn't? The problem is that car washes can damage your paint, and washing it yourself takes forever. That's where Rubbit, a foaming waterless wash, comes in. But is it too good to be true? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome to Tips Trove, your trove of tips to better your life. I found Rubbit through an online ad. A shiny car in 15 minutes? That's unheard of unless you're going through a full car wash. So I had to test it myself. I grabbed the Electric Plus trial kit and added a regular size bottle of Rubbit Foam 2.0 to my order. The kit comes with an electric foam sprayer, a small bottle of the Rubbit Foam, and 6 microfiber towels. Really, you're paying for the sprayer. It's rechargeable over USB and automatically foams for you. Just fill it with 2 liters of water, mix in the Rubbit solution, and you're ready to go. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. I wanted to put Rubbit to the test. My car hasn't been washed in over a month and it's covered in dust, bird droppings, just life. Rubbit says it works best on lightly dirty cars, but let's see how it handles this. Spraying with the e-foam sprayer is super easy. 1 tap to turn it on, 1 to turn it off. It lays down a really even layer of foam, and a few seconds of spraying goes a long way. Then it's wipe time. I'm using their microfiber towels and folding them as recommended. With just a few wipes, most of the foam comes off, and it picks up an impressive amount of dust and grime. I was honestly surprised how well it works after just a short soak. It won't remove every extremely caked on spot, but for everyday dirt, it leaves the surface clean and shiny with very little effort. I even tried it on the windows outside my home, and it worked really well. It does use a lot of towels, and I ended up adding some of my own microfiber towels, but the 2-liter sprayer is more than enough for 1 full wash. I even had solution left over. Now let's quickly talk pricing so you can decide if this is worth it. Around the holidays, the kits go on sale, and the discounts on the foam solution brings the cost per wash down to under $2, which is a pretty great value compared to the alternatives. If you want to try effortless car washes for yourself, I'll have a link to the trial kit in the description. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases, so thank you for supporting the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips, and let me know in the comments, how do you wash your car? This is Tips Trove, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.